I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have my October BoxyCharm for you. So the theme this month is alter ego, which I thought was fun, and I don't know what it has to do with these products, but I still like the idea of the theme. So I thought, you know, I'd pull out the purple hair. Okay, so the first thing in here is from IT Cosmetics, and this is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I have gotten samples of this multiple times, so I actually had to go back to watch my videos to see what I said about it because I could not remember. So in 2016, I originally super loved it, and then I got another sample almost a year later. I think it was in 2017, and I said that I did not like it, and my reasoning was that it started flaking. Like at first I loved it. It was lengthening and volumizing and wonderful, but then I had flaking issues with it, so I stopped using it. So I think with this one I will actually end up giving this away because I have other mascaras I love. I don't need this one, especially if I didn't like it in the past, and as far as I know, they haven't like revamped their formula since then. So anyway, whatevs. I do like IT Cosmetics in general. The next thing in here is from Dermovia, which I've never heard of this brand before, but that's part of the fun of getting these boxes, right? Is to be introduced to new and interesting things. So this one is a black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. Now, when I saw that, I immediately thought, I hate peel off masks. They only just hurt my face. But I thought this one was really interesting because it has this lace compression thing that you put on over it. So what you do is it comes with this little thing, came with 2 lace things and 1 little tube of black stuff. So this is going to be your basic mask, you know, it's black and you put it on and then you're gonna peel it off, right? So you put on this, and I tried to only use half of it. This is actually super interesting, and it is kind of a stretchy lace, and it has these holes in it, so you put it over your face and then you put it over your ears like this, and then it's got, here, let me just put the whole thing on and try not to mess up my makeup too badly. Oh my god, why am I doing this? Okay, so you put it on and you like stick it to your wet mask. Ugh. And then it also has a chin strap, which I always think about, what's that? Mama's got a chin, no, your mama's got something with a chin strap. I don't know. What is that song? Somebody tell me. Okay, so you've got this chin strap and you hook that around your ears as well, and it kind of, you know, compresses it to your face, and it's, you know, this is definitely the best fitting, I don't want to call it a sheet mask, but essentially, you know, I mean, because it is kind of stretched out and pulled onto my ears, so I don't have to worry about it falling off or whatever. Plus it's sticking to that wet mask, which you're then going to peel off. So once it dries, 15, 20 minutes later, whatever, you peel it off and it hurts like a mother, just like any other peel off mask. And so I'm not ever going to use this again. But I have this extra lace thing, so maybe I'll give this to somebody who does not mind having their face peeled off. I really hate it, you guys. I don't know how people can do that. And I don't really have a big blackhead issue or anything, so I'd rather just use a different kind of mask personally. I hate the peel off ones, they hurt. Okay, moving on. By the way, every single item in this box is cruelty free. The one questionable one is the IT Cosmetics, because their parent company, L'Oreal, is not cruelty free, but IT Cosmetics is. And L'Oreal also owns like NYX and I don't know, a bunch of other cruelty-free ones that I still consider, because they are, even though they are owned by L'Oreal, they are operated by their own selves. Anyway, okay, so this fun little guy is from Pure, the Complexion Authority, and this is Midnight Masquerade palette. This is so much fun, look at this. Okay, so it opens this way, and you do have a tiny mirror in here, which I guess could be useful in a pinch. Like right now, I'm gonna check, make sure I didn't, ugh. Dang it, my eyelashes are coming off. I knew I shouldn't have been playing with that lace thing. Anyway, you've got your face things over here. So you have these blushes, kind of a bronzer and a highlighter, and then you have some fun eyeshadow colors. These are all intensely pigmented. The only matte eyeshadow is this brown, this nice deep brown in there. The blushes, actually, are those? I don't know if this is matte. Oh, maybe it is matte. Yeah, maybe these two blush colors are matte. They're so pigmented though, you guys, you have to go in with such a light hand. So I'm wearing this one today. I have that on my cheeks. I don't think I use this, but I definitely use the highlighter as well. And I love them. I think that they are beautiful. The colors are gorgeous. I wish that the blushes weren't quite so intensely pigmented. Now everybody's always yay pigment, except that sometimes especially with blush, you don't want a huge pigmented blob on your cheek. So sometimes it's easier if it's a more buildable color. Anyway, these are all intensely pigmented and really pretty colors. They're really pretty colors, and that shimmery bronzer and the highlighter are just absolutely gorgeous. This is such a great coppery color, and for me, I really like the idea of mixing these two colors, you know, to give you a little bit of extra color in with your highlight, because I don't like it to look too pale. And then these eyeshadow colors are gorgeous. I love them so much. I did try to use all of them on my eyes today. So I've got the silver and then blue and then purple. And then in my crease is like that pewtery color right here, which is super pretty. And then under my eyes is this green gold fun, super wonderful color. I was going to use the brown, but it just didn't go. But I did play with this. I got this yesterday. Gosh, this looks even more green in this lighting. This gold color here. Let me swatch some of these for you because they're just gorgeous. Just such pretty colors. I love them so much. Do you see? I mean, these are, with eyeshadows, I'm a-okay with them being crazy pigmented. Let's give a little swatch. Look at this. Okay, look at that. Aren't those just pretty? And they're so pigmented, and they're very buttery, creamy feeling. Like, I don't know, I love the way they feel, and applying them today, I thought that they blended out nicely. They go on really pigmented, you know, they're just easy to use and wonderful and fun colors. So I'm loving this palette. I think it's fantastic. Okay, the next thing in here is what I have on my lips today. This is from Kat Von D. I have the shade K-Dub, and it's just this really gorgeous, purpley, bright pink. It's basically just like, I don't even know, like a bright neon lilac. I don't know how to describe this, but I super love it. It's super pretty. I have several of KVD's liquid lipsticks, and I love them. I think the colors are fun. They're fairly comfortable, maybe a little bit drying compared to other liquid lipsticks, but they do last all day, and they're, you know, they're a great formula, and the colors are fun. So loving this. And then the last thing in here is from Farmacy Beauty. I love this brand. They have fantastic stuff, but it is really expensive, so I very rarely actually get things. They have a wonderful face spray. I have, in fact, is it in my pocket actually? It is! Look at this! I have a lip balm in my pocket that I just carry around with me all the time. This is Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balm, and I love this. So I was so excited to see this in here. This is Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm, and I used it last night. Even with waterproof mascara, it did a darn good job of breaking it down. It did take a little extra effort, but for the most part, it just melts on your face, and you just work it into your makeup, and then I wiped it off with a cloth, and it just worked beautifully. I love the ingredients, and I thought this was wonderful, so I was really excited to get this in my box. So all in all, I was really happy with this box. Okay, so even though I didn't like the mask, it was fun to try, you know, and that's kind of the thing with these boxes is, you know, otherwise I would just go shopping, right? But this way I get to try things that I wouldn't normally try, which I think is wonderful. What did you guys think? Did you like your boxes? What different things did you get? I know people are always complaining. Did anybody get a normal lipstick color? Or did you all get crazy lipstick colors? That's okay, I'll totally wear it. I love these kind of things. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely leave me comments. I love hearing from you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!